Hi guys, welcome to Reading with Rakshana. Today we are going to read the book Giraffe Meets Bird by Rebecca Bender. The first time Giraffe meets Bird, he's surprised. The moment Bird sees Giraffe, he's amazed. Giraffe is fascinated to watch the bird grow. Bird is tickled to try new things. Bird learns that it's easy to make Giraffe cross. Giraffe discovers that it is a tint to make Bird angry. If Bird wants Giraffe to help, he has to present. Please! If Giraffe wants Bird to give him a scratch, he has to be polite. Scratch, scratch. Thank you. Bird loves to hop from branches to branch. Giraffe enjoys peace and quiet for a nap. Chip, chip, chip. Bird feathers are ruffled. When Giraffe tells him what to do, Giraffe is peevish when Bird makes a fuss. Bird wants to be alone in his tree. Sharing is hard. Take a hike, Giraffe. Giraffe was the first. Sharing is tough. Buzz off, Bird! One hot, dry afternoon, Giraffe has an itch. Rub, rub, shim, shim. Scratch, scratch. Flutter, flutter. Plop. Giraffe's relieved to lose his itch, but why is Bird so quiet? Bird is thrilled to have an adventure, but how will he get back in the tree? Just then, there is a strange noise in the tall grass. Crunch, crunch. Yikes! A lion! Luckily, Giraffe sees the bird. He scoops him up and jumps so high they land in the tree. The light dims as Bird finds a cozy spot to nestle in. The stars shine as Giraffe finds a comfy place to snuggle in. Tonight they don't mind sharing the tree. What will they do in the morning? Bird knows that this tree is no place for younger giraffes, but Giraffe is sure that this tree is no place for baby birds. At sunrise, Bird peers out from the top of the tree of any signs of trouble. Giraffe scans below the branches for any trace of danger. With no lions in sight, it's time to leave. Giraffe is weepy to bid farewell. Bird is teary to say goodbye, but they do. And together they set off to find a new home to share. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.